Hello, dear students. Today we will explain about digestion. Okay? The objectives of this session are: first, we want to define digestion and identify its types. Second, we want to identify the different parts of the digestive system. Okay? So let's first talk about digestion. As we already know, in order to function normally, all body cells, they need nutrients and oxygen, for sure. And we already explained in activity 1 that food could be classified into organic and inorganic. Organic like carbohydrates, proteins, and lipids and vitamins, while inorganic are the mineral salts and water. Okay? ونحن شفنا the structure of proteins, carbohydrates like polysaccharides and disaccharides and fats. وشفنا إنه how the foods, they are considered as complex foods. Okay? هلا, if you can see here, if this is the cell, okay, the cell needs those foods, يعني هن the proteins with starch and fats. This is the cellular membrane, okay? And here we have, this is starch, which is complex food. We have the glucose, which is monosaccharide made up of 1 unit of sugar. And here we have the salt ions that have very simple structure, okay? As we can see, the glucose and the salt ion, which have a simple structure, they could pass through the cell membrane. قدروا يمرقوا من خلال هالcell membrane and can be used by the cell. However, the starch, okay, يلي هي large molecule, يلي هي complex food made up of many units of sugar, okay, cannot be absorbed by the cell. ما بتقدر الcell تمتصهم, okay? So complex foods like starch, proteins, and fatty acids can't be absorbed by the cell, okay? فإذا هودي الفودز the cell need them, بدها إياهم الcell, بس ما عم تقدر تمتصهم, okay? So كيف بدنا نساعد هيدي السيل إنه تقدر تمتص هودي large molecules, okay? هون بيجي دور digestive system and digestion, okay? So the function of the digestive system إنه it takes these complex foods and break down them into simple molecules, okay? So وظيفة digestive system إنه بياخد complex molecules like proteins, like polysaccharides, like disaccharides, like fats, and break down or simplify them into simple molecules, okay? مثلا the proteins is broken down into amino acids, polysaccharides and disaccharides into monosaccharides. The fat is broken down into glycerol and 3 fatty acids, okay? So as a definition, so هيدي عملية breaking down in complex food into simple food نحن بنسميها digestion, okay? So digestion is the set of mechanical and chemical processes that breaks down complex food into simpler nutrients that can be absorbed by the cell.